This is Shivang Bashne. Today we will go for mathematics. We will discuss a topic of mathematics, that is square. What is square? How do we calculate the square of any number? How do we calculate the square of any number within seconds, quickly, easily, like so? We learn in this video what is square, how to calculate the square within seconds. Let's first see the definition of square. In mathematics, a square number of a perfect square is an integer that is the square of an integer. If we have a number of 3, then the square of this number is multiplied by itself, that is 3. 3 multiplied by 3, that is 9. 9 is the square number of what? 3. In other words, it is the product of any integer with itself. It means it is the product, means multiplication of any integer. Suppose 2 is an integer and it is the product of itself, integer. That means 2, that is 4. 4 is the square number of what? 2. So we know about what is square. Let's see how to calculate the square within seconds. We categorize the square into some categories. First one is square. Let's change the marker. First one is square ending on 5. If we calculate the square of 5, we know easily what is the square of 5, that is 25. But if we calculate the square of 85, then how to calculate the square of 85 within seconds and quickly? So now we solve the square of 85 with tricks. Let's see how. If we have a number of 35, we want to calculate the square of 35. Let's separate the digits 3 and 5. After separation of the digits, we calculate the square of last digit, that is 5. How much? The square of 5 is 25. And in the first value of the given integer, we multiply by its successor, that is in the given number. In the given number, we will add the 1. We will get the successor of that number. That means we will multiply by 4, that is 12. Combine the values, so we get the square of 35. Next, take another example. Say 45. We want to calculate the square of 45. Separate the digits, calculate the square of last digit, that is 25. Next, multiply by its successor, that is 5. It is 25. Combine the digits, we will get the square of 45, that is 2025. Next, if we want to calculate the square of 85, then how we can calculate the square of 85? 85. Separate the digits 8 and 5. Calculate the square of last digit, that is 5, that is 25. Multiply by its successor. In the first digit 72. Combine the digits now. We will get the square of 85, that is 7225. If we want to calculate the square of 105, 115, 125, we will calculate easily. But how if we want to calculate the square of 105, separate the digits 10 and 5. Calculate the square of 5, that is 25, multiply by its successor, that is 11. 11 multiplied by 10, that is 110. Combine the digits 11025. It is the square of what? 105. Now move to the next trick of the square, that is square of numbers less than 100. If we want to calculate the square of suppose 98, how we calculate the square within seconds? In first step, here is the golden number 100. We remember the golden number 100. Now the given number is how much? Is less than 100. 100 is larger than by the given number, that is 2. 2 is less than the given number by 100. So now calculate the square of lesser value, that is 0.4. Now in the second step, we will subtract the lesser 100 value from the first number, from the given number. Now subtract the 0.2 from given number, that is 96. 9604 is the square of 98. If we want to calculate the square of 96, first of all, golden number is here also 100. Now how much is it is less than 100, that is 4. The square of 4 is 16. In the first digit, the lesser value is subtracted from the given value, that is 96 minus 0.4, that is 92. 9216 is the square of what? 96. Next, if we want to calculate the square of 88 square, here golden number is also 100. How much is it is less than 100, that is 12. Calculate the square of 12, that is 144. Here the last two digits, can note down the square. 1 will be added as a carry into this number. 88 minus 12, that is 76, plus 1. This one is added as a carry in this number, that is 77. 7744, that is the square of 88. Next, now move to the next trick of the square, that is square of numbers more than 100. If we want to calculate the square of 102, here it is not ending on 5 and it is also not below than 100. So how we calculate the square within seconds? Remember the golden number here is 100. How much? In the first step, we calculate the how much it is greater than 100. That is, it is greater than 100 by 2. Now calculate the square of that number, that is 04. Now in the last square of numbers less than 100, we subtract the value. Now we add the value into the given number, that is 102 plus 02, that is 104. 10404 is the square of 102. Next, if you want to calculate the square of 10108, how much it is greater than 100? It's greater than 100 by 8. Calculate the square, 64. Move down to 64. Now 108 plus 08, 116. Note down each value and combine all these values. 11664 is the square of what? 108. Next, if we want to calculate the square of 158, how much it is? How much it is greater than 100? It is greater than 100 by 58. 58, how much square? In the next session, in the next few minutes, we will calculate the square of 58 within seconds. After that, we will calculate the square of 58 within seconds. Now move. If we want to calculate the square of 115, then how much it is? It is greater than 100 by 15. Now calculate the square of 15, that is 225. Now note down the two digits. Now how much? Note down the 15 plus 2 as a carry. 115 plus 15 plus 2 as carry. 130, 132, 132, 25. 13225 is the square of 115. Now we move to the next topic. Next category of the square, that is square of number more than 50. Number 3. Number 4. Here the first category, which is ending on 5. Next, second category, number is less than 100. It is also less than 100. We calculate by that category. Next, we calculate the square of number more than 100, but it is not in that category. So now here is the golden number is 25. If we want to calculate the square of 52 square is how much? Here remember the golden number, that is 25. How much it is greater than 50? That is by 2. That is by 2. Calculate the square. Calculate the square of 2. That is 04. Note down the 04. Next, here is the golden number 25. Add the extra value, that is above from 50. Add it to the golden number, that is 2 in 2 plus 25, that is 27. 2074 is the calculated square of 52. Next, if we calculate the square of 58 square is how much? In the earlier session we will discuss we stuck the square of 158. Here square of 158 is calculated from here. Now how much it is greater than 100? That is 8. How much 8 square? That is 64. Note down the 64. Next, how added extra value that above the 50 into the golden number, that is 25. 25 plus 8, that is 33. 33 64 is the calculated square of what? 58. Next, we want to calculate the square of 158 square. Here how much it is great? Love these. Next, then we calculate the square of 158. 158 square, that is 3364. How much it is greater than 100? That is by 58. Next, calculate the square of 58. How we calculate the square of 58? 58 square is how much it is greater than 50? It is greater than 50 by 8. Calculate the square, that is 64. Is the square of 64 is the square of 8. Next, note down the 64. Next, here is the golden number 8. Add the extra value that is above from 50 into the golden number, that is 25 plus 8, that is 33. 33 64 is the square of 58. Now how much it is greater than 100? That is by 58. The calculated square of 58, that is 3364. 3364. Now note down the two values, 64. Next, 158 added the extra value that is above than 100 into the given integer value, that is 58. Here's 33 added as a carry. 8 16 plus 3 19 carry 1 5 10 13 14 का 4 carry 1 plus 1 2. Here's 24964 is the calculated square of 158. Now we will move to the next topic of the day, that is square of numbers less than 50. It is the fifth category. Here's golden number is same 25. If we want to calculate the square of 48, how we calculate the square of 48? It lies in the one category, that is it is below than 100, but we specify into the categories of square of numbers less than 50. Here's we calculate the square of 48. How much it is less than 50? That is by 2. Is calculated the square of 2, that is 04. Now subtract these value, subtract lesser value from 50 from the golden number, that is 25. 25 minus का 2, that is 23. 04. Now combine these values. 2304 is the calculated square of 48. Next, if we want to calculate the square of 47, Here how much is it is less than 50, that is by 3. Calculate the square of this number, that is 9. Now lesser value subtracted from the golden number, that is 25, that is 22. Now combine the digits. 2209 is the calculated square of 47. If we want to calculate the square of 36, let's see how. 36, how much it is less than 50? It is less than 50 by 14. Calculated square of 196. 14 is 196. Here's 96. Now calculate the square of 36. Subtract the given value. Subtract the given lesser value from 100 from the golden number, that is 24. 25 minus 14, that is 11. 11 minus 1. Here's 1 remaining. Here's 1 remaining. Minus 1. 1 added as a carry. 11 plus 1 is equal to 12. 1296 is the calculated square of 36. That is the last category of this square, that is find the square of any number between 1 to 100. Here if we want to calculate the square of 78, then how we calculate the square? Separate the digits 7 and 8. Here make the 7th square, make the 8th square. Here 7 multiply by 8 multiply by 2. Here 8 squares is 64. Here 7 8 just 56 multiply by 2, that is 112. Here 7 square is 49. Note down the 4 6 as a carry into the 112. 112 plus 6, that is 118. 118 11 carry into the 49. 49 plus 11, that is 6084. So we get the square of 6084 of what? Of 78. Like this we calculate the square of any value, that is if we want to calculate the square of 69 square, separate the digits 6 and 9. Make them squares. 6 into 9 into 2. 9th square is how much? 81. 6 into 9 54. Multiply by 2 108. 6 square is how much? 36. 81's 1 units place. 8 as a carry into the 108. 108 plus 8 116. 116 6 plus 11 as a carry into the 36, that is 36 plus 11, that is 47. 4761 is the square of what? 69. Any 69. Here's we calculated the square of any number within seconds in this video. If you like the content, then please subscribe to my channel and like the video and comment into this comment section. You can practice of these squares by viewing this video. We will back soon by the next topic. Thank you.